Good morning, students. Science is the knowledge gained from using observations and experiments to describe and explain the world around us. So, children, you can learn something new when you start asking questions like what, why, who, where, how, and when. So, the human body is the best work of art and it is a wonderful machine. It performs several functions without rest from the birth. We human beings have many organs, but there are 5 important organs that connect us with the environment. So these organs are called the sensory organs or the sense organs. The 5 senses are hearing, tasting, seeing, touching and smelling. And the 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, skin, tongue and nose. The sensory organ ears helps us to hear the sound around us. The eyes helps us to see the objects around us and to differentiate the colors. The skin is the largest sense organ and we have the sense of touch all over our body like cold, heat, pain, contact. Then the nose helps us to smell and it cleans the air we breathe and we inhale through our nose. The taste buds of our tongue gives us the sense of taste. We can sense 4 different flavors like salty, sweet, sour and bitter. The tongue is the strongest muscle of our body and it has the capability to heal back from injury sooner than any other part of our body. All parts of the human body get tired eventually except the tongue. So children, today I am going to share few information related to tongue and its taste buds. How will you feel the taste of food by using your tongue? So now let's see about the taste buds. A person has about 10,000 taste buds. They are replaced every 2 weeks. As we get older, taste buds don't get replaced. That's why certain foods may taste stronger to you than they do to adults. So children, papillae. So papillae means they are the normal bumps which you see on the tongue. So now let's see the process to taste food. Flavoring chemicals in the food dissolve in the saliva, stimulates the taste buds to send messages to the brain. The messages are sent to the brain to give us the taste of the food. So the chemicals in the food get dissolved in the saliva and it is passed as a message to the brain. The brain in turn indicates us about the taste of the food. So now let's see the taste areas on the human tongue. The tip of the tongue tastes salty, just above it sweet and the edges sour and the rear end of the tongue is bitter taste. So children, this is a resemblance of a healthy tongue. So why is your tongue white? White tongue may be an indicator of diseases. From ancient times, the state of the tongue was used to diagnose diseases in the body. So, if the tip of the tongue is in white means it is an indicator of heart-related disease. Just above it lungs, middle stomach, the rear end kidneys and this end liver and pancreas. So children, natural remedies for cleaning and disinfecting the tongue are aloe vera, garlic and brushing your teeth twice a day. So let's see some of the reasons for bad taste in your mouth. You could have a yeast infection. So one reason is formation of yeast in the throat. Next is it could be an indicator of low zinc. So if you have low zinc, the taste buds will change. It could be because of the flu or regular cold. So children, have you ever noticed that you have bitter taste on your tongue during fever? So this is because the temperature increases from the normal body temperature of 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. At higher temperature, the function of the enzymes in our taste buds stop, since they can work efficiently only in the temperature range of 77 to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So that's why we get a bitter taste in our tongue during the fever. So another reason for bad taste in our tongue is it could be diabetes. So if our body is having difficulties in regulating sugar in our blood, you may experience a strange sweet taste in your mouth. Then it could be the pine nuts you ate a few days ago. If your stress level are too high, then you may notice a change of taste in your tongue. It could be the medication you are taking. Your oral hygiene may need to be improved. So children, human body is the most valuable treasure. Too much exposure of anything might damage the respective sensory organ. A healthy body contains a healthy brain. So to improve your health, do regular exercise, take proper diet, cleanliness of the body and discipline are the essential factors in daily life. Take care of your health. Keep learning by reading, solving and exploring. Thank you.